Hello everyone! Today I come to you from Yanaka ginza. The other day I took another video. I hope you watched already. So today I want to introduce more shops because this town is one of my favorite towns in Tokyo. So let's go! At first I want to introduce one of my favorite shops. This shop is called Matsunoya. I usually buy baskets, interior goods, and kitchen tools. Next, I want to introduce new shop. It is so cold here in Tokyo, so they gave me a miso soup, so warm and comfort. So I bought 2 onigiri. Onigiri is a rice ball. And what I like is the rice ball is grilled. Let's try tasting. This is nekomama. Nekomama. It's interesting. Nekomama means the cat's food. Food for cats. Because they love the bonito flakes. I mean, fish in general. Like human beings, like us. So let's try tasting. Bonito flakes. There's so much umami inside. Onigiri is a comfort food among Japanese people. Everyone loves onigiri. Then with onigiri, it's always good to eat with miso soup. So this is the other one. This is onigiri with butter and soy sauce. Butter and rice is very good combination. And outside is very crispy, and inside is very fluffy. Oops! There is no miso soup inside. So you have to think about it. So this shop is called Hakkodo, and Hakko means fermented. So they serve a lot of fermented food. Do you know fermented food? I'll show you with using this sheeting paper. So there are so many fermented food for Japanese seasonings, like soy sauce and mirin, like here, bonito flakes, miso paste, and also butter. Yeah. And as you know, Parmesan cheese. Cheese is also fermented food. So in this shop, you can enjoy the rice balls with using fermented seasonings. And they also serve a drink. This is a koji drink. And then combine koji and yogurt. And also they combine koji and strawberry for dessert. Looks yummy. Please enjoy Hakkodo in Yanaka area. And this shop, people always queue long. So I bought the traditional pocket. There's a minced beef inside. We say menchikatsu. And here is, I tried another interesting one. It's a shiitake menchi. So there's a shiitake mushrooms inside, and also beef. I chose traditional one and customized one, modern style one. So let's try this. So crispy outside. And it's fried with using panko and a bread crab. And it's so small, so it's very, you can feel the crunchiness. Can you hear the sound? So juicy. You see, when you come to Yanaka, you see many people buying and eating outside. Literally, it's a street food. Eating on the street, Yanaka ginza street. Since I like to try new things, so I chose this one. This is a menchikatsu, but it's made of shiitake mushrooms and beef. So how it's like? It's like a small round shape. Looks like shiitake mushrooms, big shiitake mushrooms. Okay, here we go. Itadakimasu. The shiitake. And shiitake covers the meat inside. You can taste the mushrooms flavor a lot in your mouth. Lastly, I'll introduce popular shop. By the way, this shop was featured by some TV program, so many people queue. But you don't need to queue if you buy ice cream. So it's time to taste Chestnut's soft serve ice cream. Itadakimasu. I like to eat from the top. Oh, you can taste chestnuts quickly just after eating. Yeah. It's like a chestnuts paste, frozen chestnuts paste. Wow. So you can bite a little small chunk from the chestnuts. If you are a chestnuts lover, please go to the shop.